are a lot of YouTube videos showing how to change leaf springs. Some of them are pretty good, and others, well, let's just say you would do yourself a favor by watching something else. But one fault many of them make is saying to reinstall the spring by hooking up the shackle end first. You just may find it easier to reinstall the spring by hooking up the front eye first, then the shackle end. Aligning the swinging shackle is a lot easier than holding up a big heavy spring as you try to get the eye bolt into a small hole.